Hello everyone, welcome again in your bio class. As you know very well that we are discussing chapter number 6 and the name of the chapter is tissues. In tissues we are discussing about animal tissues. In animal tissues we have discussed epithelial tissue and muscular tissues. In muscular tissue we have discussed a lot about skeletal muscles. Means their characteristic features, occurrence and function we have discussed in previous video. In today's video we will discuss another type of muscle that are smooth muscle and cardiac muscle. So let's start the video. Just see characteristic feature, occurrence and function of smooth muscle. Why there are different names are there. Smooth because there are no alternate dark and light band. That's why they are called unstriated muscle. Another name, visceral muscle, because they are present in the walls of hollow organs like stomach, intestine, blood vessels, uterus, etc. Again, involuntary muscle. Why they are called involuntary? Because they are not under the control of our will. Simple thing is there. अगर आपने खाना खाया, खाना मुंह में रखा, फूड पाइप में गया, फूड पाइप से स्टोमक में गया. अब आप सोचो कि हमारा खाना आज स्टोमक में ही रहे, इंटेस्टाइन में जाए नहीं. कैन यू कंट्रोल? नो, बिकॉज दीज मसल विल डू देयर वर्क. मीन्स दे आर नॉट अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ अवर विल. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, जस्ट वी विल अंडरस्टैंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर with the help of a diagram. You can see the diagram of smooth muscle. First, shape. Shape is spindle shape. Both the ends are tapering. Second, just if you will see here, uninucleated means single nucleus is present. Striations absent means here no dark and light bands are there. So we can say here myofibrils are not arranged. They are randomly arranged. So we can say that's why they are called smooth. No dark and light bands. So we can say myofibrils are absent. Unbranched. There is no branching is there. They are very slow and do not fatigue. Means they will do their work slowly and they do not fatigue. Means after doing work they will not get tired. कि आज हमारी मसल्स थक गई हैं, इंटेस्टाइन की मसल थक गई हैं और उन्होंने आज अपना काम करना बंद कर दिया. ऐसा नहीं होता. They will do automatically their work. So occurrence where they will present, just we have discussed visceral because they are called visceral muscle. They will present in visceral organ like intestine, blood vessels, bronchi, ureter, uterus, iris, etc. Means lot of internal organs are there where they will be present. Function. What are the function? Movement of food along the digestive tract. मीन्स खाना बीच में रुकेगा नहीं, ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल कम स्टोमक से कहाँ आएगा, इंटेस्टाइन में. सो व्हाट इज द फंक्शन? दे विल रिदमिक कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन विल टेक प्लेस. दैट टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट इन डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट इज कॉल्ड द पेरिस्टैल्सिस मूवमेंट. एंड सेकंड फंक्शन, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ द ब्लड वेसल. मीन्स ऑटोमेटिकली ब्लड वेसल विल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड रिलैक्स and blood will be forwarded to different parts of the body and you will get the nutrient and oxygen supplied in each cell. Will get this nutrient and oxygen. So I think you understood about smooth muscle. Second is there, or we can say third type of cardiac muscles are there. Another name, heart muscles. Why they are called heart muscle? Because they are present in the walls of the heart. So again, before starting the characteristic features, just see the diagram because you can understand easily with the diagram. Just I am comparing these characteristic feature with that cardiac muscle. You can see the picture. Shape. First we will see the shape. long, again elongated, cylindrical. They are in cylindrical in shape. And again they are uninucleated. Single nucleus is there. Again here striations means here dark and light band will be present. And each muscle cell here is surrounded by sarcolemma with sarcoplasm and myofibrils are present here. So, dear student, if we will see here, branching is there, oblique bridges are there. That's why these type of muscles are branched. Only cardiac muscles are branched in nature. You can see easily. Now here special feature, each muscle cell is joined with intercalated disc. What is the function? Means these discs will join to each muscle and they will help to cardiac muscle to contract simultaneously. That is the function of these intercalated discs. So I think you understood the structure. And if we will compare, do not fatigue. Their nature is also there. They are never tired. कभी थकती नहीं है. From the birth to death, they will do their work continuously. क्या कभी हर्ट रुक कर कभी रेस्ट करना चाहेगा क्या? नहीं ना. अगर ऐसा होता तो क्या होता? We are not able to survive. Simple thing is there. So they will do their work continuously. Rhythmic contraction and relaxation will take place by heart. That's why heart is beating and we will get the blood supply to each organ. So function now you understood. Occurrence, characteristic feature and function, rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart will take place due to this muscle and the distribution of blood in each part. So I think you understood the video and the video was very interesting and you will like it. So dear student, keep learning. We will meet again very soon. Till then, goodbye.